Even your neighbors will smell the scent of your home. An aromatic home without flies or mosquitoes. You need to do it today in your home. That's right, friends. After this advice, your home will never be the same. To do this, take a container. Here we are going to put 100 milliliters of water. Okay, you already put it. We will also need a softener. You can use the one you prefer, but if possible, use a concentrated one, since the scent will last much longer. We are going to add 100 milliliters of softener. You already put it here. And to finish, friends, an essential element is the smell nail. In addition to having a very pleasant scent, it is what will help scare away insects, especially mosquitoes. You can put a good amount of nail. Here it is fine. And now you just have to mix everything very well. Here, friends, our mixture is ready. Let's put it aside. What are you going to do now? Are you going to take a bottle of these? Here in the lid, you are going to make a cavity. Here we are going to put our mixture, and you can put the nails together. And it will look like this. Now, friends, take skewer sticks. Put it inside the bottle. First, soak this part here very well, and then you come and change sides because this will help the scent to exhale much more. Come here and spread. Look, friends, it will look like this. Look how great. You can now place it in the rooms or in any room in your house. You can take advantage of these Coca-Cola bottles. See? You can come here and put our mixture, and then do the same. Soak the sticks first and then put them upside down. There you have it, friends. Now you can take it and spread it all over your house. I like to leave one in the bathroom, one in the living room, and one in the bedroom. As I said, it will leave your house with a delicious aroma, in addition to scaring away insects, especially flies and mosquitoes. So that's all, friends. I did this at home with recyclable materials, but if you want, you can also do it with more beautiful materials, like glass bottles, or even take the ones you already bought and reuse the bottle to make this mixture. In my case, I did it in an economical way. Okay, so that's all. Do it at home. I'm sure you'll love the result.